canteen. Fuck off.
Bisi-bisihan ang lolo mo. Lolokohin natin. Lolokohin ka. Susubukan natin kung gaano mo baka talaga kumahalat ang kagandahan ko. Nakakalakas ang karisma ng real face na ito. Kunwari may dugo-dugo yung kutsilyo, kunwari.
What did you do?
It hurts it.
Put in there. Here.
Do you love your wife? Come here. Come here. Come here.
What?
What if it's real? What if it's real? Are you still gonna taking care of me? What if I hit what if I hit myself? What if I really hit myself though?
Yeah, I showed you.
What?
Gauze pads, band-aids, everything.
You're not gonna taking care of me?
What do you mean? That's what taking care of you is right there.
What about you? You're not gonna taking care of me?
Aid kits. No. That's why, of course.
No?
No.
So you don't love this real face anymore then?
Of course I do. That's why I would use the band-aids and the gauze pads, and we'd figure out.
Aww. You're just taking care of me.
Of course, that first aid is taking care of you.
What about you?
What about me? It's first aid. I would be giving it to you.
Okay. Aww. Kiss me then.
I just did.
No, kiss me more. A lot.
Oh.
Like
Baliw na baliw ako sa'yo, aking sinta.
one more.
Baliw na baliw ako sa'yo, aking sinta.
One more again. Okay, okay.
Masasabi ko sa'yo na mahal